My name is Bill Reynolds. I'm the president at Central UAS Technologies, formerly Leading Edge Aerial Technologies. We're a manufacturer of unmanned aircraft in the agricultural spray space. Our history goes back almost 40 years, manned aircraft pilot and spray pilot. We've got several pilots on board that understand aerial applications, which is our core competency. And back in 2013, we decided that we needed to build our own unmanned aircraft for aerial applications. And subsequent to that, 4 generations later, we're now at the Precision Vision 100X, which is a system designed to carry 100 pounds of payload and applies liquid and granule materials. Again, we're experts in aerial applications and in unmanned aircraft. So the big advantages of our systems is they're made here in the U.S. They are NDAA compliant if a client needs that requirement. Our core competency is our relationships with our customers and our support. That's how we excel in what we do and our success. We were acquired back in November of 2024 by Central Garden and Pet and Central Life Sciences. And they have invested significant money into growing our business, and now we are scaling our warehouses and people to meet the demand. So if you have some interest in unmanned aircraft made in the U.S., we probably are a great solution for you.